Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything, I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more. Picture is not enough for them. And they want sound. Also gonna do the video in Spanish at the end. Voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Alright guys, in case you're new in my store, you know I take everything apart. I take the muffler, the top, everything like that. I can show you more. In this case, I don't know exactly what steel is this, but I know you guys are going to help me out, going to tell me. But just in case I don't want to make mistakes. Alright, let's begin. I'm going to begin here because I'm going to put, this one didn't come with the handle. I'm going to use one of my handles that I have there for emergency like this, but the handle is not coming, okay? Alright, I'm going to put it and I'm going to do a test like I always do with all the spark plug, and then with the spark plug, and then we're going to start the machine. Alright, let's start here in the main part where you guys want to see. Alright, let's get positioned. Look at that. Woo. Guys, remember I said for parts. For parts. This is a broken equipment. This is a damaged equipment. I'm trying to find the, oh I see it, the flywheel to move it in the position I found it right here. Remember guys, I sell for parts, not to repair. If you're trying to repair these machines, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because they're damaged equipment. They're broken. You see it? Broken. Yeah, I have to say it like that because you know how it is. Yeah. You still got customers, you know, that they think they're buying something new and you gotta repeat it. They're broken. Alright, when I throw the flash here, gonna come out better, I guess. But you can have an idea there, what we got going on. Alright, you got here the carburetor. Let me see if everything is working, and at least well, acceleration looks good, everything, but I see it's missing here that's why I put this plastic here. It's missing the top here, but other than that, it looks like everything is there. I put some gasoline on this one. Well, like that, we can give it a shot. Let me see. You can need a little cleanup on the flywheel, but I don't think that will be any problem for what we're gonna do now. Let me see what else, guys. Over here, you got the clutch. In the front of the clutch. Alright, I didn't know if it has a little oil like that. We can do a test. Let me make sure. I know that I put a little gas. No, it's not have no oil. I should throw a little oil like that. Oh, it has not enough to see if the oil pump is working. I don't know if it's gonna start or not, but let me throw him a little bit just in case. Alright guys, let me put this here. Alright, let me throw him a little of oil. Just in case. Oh, you have it there. Okay. I'm gonna do it with all the spark plug. You can see it doesn't have no oil or anything here, okay? Alright, I'm gonna put the handle. Alright. Remember, this handle doesn't come with a machine, guys. This is my handle. Alright. You can hear there, alright? Let me see if I can get it close to you like that. You can see the front the best I can. Right there. Alright. We're gonna put the spark plug now. If I got, oh yeah, we got one. I gotta buy more. I'm running out of spark plugs. Okay. You can hear the compression. You hear that? Alright. I don't know if I'm on the this is off, I guess. This is on. Alright, we're gonna throw a little of the magic liquid to see where we are. Not too much, you know me, I get a little out of hand, okay? But don't worry about it, you know how it is. Woo! Easy, girl. Woo! Easy, easy. Nothing happened, we're just testing. Calm down. You see? This is something beautiful. I know she's gonna find a good home and somebody is gonna use it for parts to build other machines. This is perfect. Thank you guys. I'm gonna throw more pictures like I always do, and the inside the flash you're gonna see better. Remember, I'm gonna put everything back and I'll throw more good pictures. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe to my channel and press my like. I don't put commercials. Thank you guys. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Que se una a la raza. Bueno, ahí sabe, un saludo a toda mi gente de todos los lados. Un saludo. Ok, ya vieron la niña, está bien peligrosa. Bien. Recuérdense que este handle no viene, esta ladera no viene, la puse yo. Viene sin la ladera. Ya vieron que para empezar, por lo menos la bobina funciona. Y la mariposa funciona, ya vieron ya que prendió. ¿Qué más quiere decirle? No sé si llegó a soltar el aceite con lo poquito que prendió. Bueno, no fue suficiente, pero bueno, no botó. No lo vi botar, por eso es que esté tupidito. De ahí para allá, en sin caso que ustedes nuevos en mi canal, recuérdense que yo zafo todo. Yo lo quito todo adelante y lo vuelvo a armar para atrás, no se preocupen. Todo va a estar armado para atrás con fotos. Ahí tienen más o menos que yo lo puse al principio, pero bueno, vamos, ay, para que si no cojo la posición que es 1, 2, 3, y que me parecen que no, pero estas maquinitas pesan. Ahí vieron que tienen que dar su limpiecita, pero luce bastante bien. Para la pieza creo que está bastante bien. Ahí les voy a tirar una foto con una foto con el flash. Para que vean, y ahí están viendo ya la partecita aquí donde está el de eso y el cloche. Ahí viene con el cloche. Recuérdense que yo vendo para piezas, para partes. Estas máquinas están rotas, desbaratadas, destruidas. No es para arreglarlas. Si piensa que va a comprar en mi canal para arreglar estas máquinas, está cometiendo un error. Son máquinas rotas. Esto es para piezas, para partes. Bueno, mi gente, ya saben, si les gusta lo que estoy haciendo, suscríbanse a mi canal. No sé exactamente cuál es, si uno de ustedes sabe, tírenme. No tengo idea qué tipo, qué estilo será, no sé. Sé que las he vendido antes, pero ahora no me acuerdo. Ustedes saben que yo vivo perdido en este pueblo. Bueno, gracias, suscríbanse a mi canal y apriétame un like, que se una a la raza.